There was a black door at the back. These three girls were just about to go somewhere. Tajuddin Pirov's acquaintance with Takhmina began in those years. Then her husband found out about it and kept her away from his friends for some time. Then, under the pretext of business, the three of them went to Dubai and had lesbian sex there. There are many other incidents with black men in Dubai, known to all the former Dubai boys with Takhmina. The Development Bank of Tajikistan belonged to Takhmina. He sold it to Pirov. Now this bank is operating, and its chairman is Pirov Tajuddin. How did Takhmina meet her current husband Zarifbek? There was a businessman in Vakdat, Oyev, or Oymakmadov Makhmadamin, who worked as a trade representative of Tajikistan in Iran in those years. Her business was going well. Babaki Zanjani was first brought to Tajikistan by this man, or Oymakmadov Makhmadamin was the first person to start building a new building in front of the Dushanbe circus. 6 to 7 blocks. But they pulled him by the hand. In short, Zarifbek, Zarifbek's father, was like a faithful dog for this Oyev. In Sadbarga, Safar Center and other places in the city, Oymakmadov Makhmadamin had many small and large stores. Zarifbek was left as a manager in these stores. In Sadbarga, a woman from Hisari also had 2 stores. Her name was Sitora, and this woman made an agreement with Zarifbek. According to people, it was Zarifbek who killed Sitora. That is why Zarif and Sherzad, his brother, do not like their father very much. Sitora Zarifbek has a daughter and 3 sons. Medina, Zarif, Sherzad, and Nurzad. At the intersection of the Tajikistan Hotel and the Central Avenue of Dushanbe, there was a store called Sherzad. Zarifbek's son has the same name. Medina, Zarifbek's daughter, was married off by Oymakmadov Mada Makhmin Vahdati to his son, whose name was Rustam. They all became people, according to the same Oymakmadov, or Makhmodamin. When Rustam took Medina, he bought a house in the center, opposite Suum, and they lived there. Rustam is Takhmina's classmate. Rustam introduces his wife Medina to Takhmina. Sometime later, his wife also became homeless and drunk. At that time, Zarif and Sherzad worked as salespeople in their father's stores. Zarif led Rustam. Rustam introduces Zarif to his sister several times. They leave the hotel, and Zarif takes them from house to house. And that's how Medina made Takhmina Tugri in her brother. After a while, Zarif became Takhmina's driver. According to Khatija,